This is Mentally Financial. I'm your host, Gary B. Just sit back and let's get into this episode. Peace. Hey, today on Money Management in 10 minutes or less, this your boy, Gary B. Hey, I want to talk about how to manage your money, okay? Because I know, like I said, that's what I do. I try to teach you money management skills. I try to help you deal with financial stress. Well, let's look at it this way. I know managing money can be boring or it can be a scary topic because sometimes when you see the real deal Holyfield, it can make you, like run into a closet and close the door. But depending on where you stand financially, it doesn't have to be that way, okay, y'all? So basically what I'm trying to say to y'all is there's some simple ways to just do this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down each way in a different video so you can follow pretty easily, okay? So there's a few ways that we can do this. Now, you also have to think about it this way. You have to set things up for yourself for financial success, okay? Excuse my stumbling. You have to set yourself up for financial success, okay, y'all? Whether you're standing on pennies in your name or commas behind your name in a bank account. Well, the smartest way to do this is you have to have the right mindset to do it. Remember, all of this is about mindset. Now, if you ain't got the money, I don't care how your mindset is, it just ain't working. So you got to have a decent job for that to work. But you have to have the right mindset, stay focused, push forward no matter how bad things get, okay? So if you can create a healthy, stable environment, you can get your present together and look out for your future, okay, y'all? So that's what these videos are about, okay? How to manage your money. So we're going to go ahead and start on this series of how to manage your money because I want you to be better at what you do. Peace.